Welcome to Cumming, Georgia, MarineMax. We're located on Lake Lanier. Today's a nice, bright, sunny day. We're looking at Crest pontoon boats. This is the new Caliber series. This is a 2019 Caliber 250. The Caliber series are known for their ability to do water sports as well as cruising with the family and friends. Like all Crest pontoon boats, it's built with all the solid components, the quality materials and workmanship that Crest is noted for. The super strong doors, powder coated everywhere, thicker metal everywhere, box beams underneath. In short, a very strong, rigid boat that's very safe. As you come back, you see under deck storage. This is for your water toys, and assuming you're going to use this for water sports, maybe skis, maybe wakeboards. Notice on this boat we have a sound system set up with tower speakers. We have a collapsible tower for towing water sports that you can access from inside or outside. You have an upgraded dash with your SIMRAD, GPS, and bottom finder. Your captain's cup holder right here, upgraded stereo, which is Bluetooth. Dual captain seats on each side. This rear lounger area is open, so you can access the rear of the boat quite easily. The upgraded ski tow bar back here. Your stainless steel ladder. The Mercury 300, which will give this boat excellent performance underway. All in all, this is a fabulous boat configured for the pontoon boat enthusiast, but also wants to use it to do more than just cruise around. Thank you for joining me today. Come see us. Come see this great boat. We'll take you for a ride.